In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis on price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Harmony One is currently up 4.79% at the time of recording. You can see here that on the daily chart, Harmony One has been very bullish. We did start off the day at around the 0.147, and then we did reach the daily high of around 0.156. So it's looking really good for Harmony One. It looks like we're starting to gradually get that strong bullish momentum come through into the market, and possibly even get closer towards the 20-cent mark, and hopefully closer towards the $1 mark essentially. And if you go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Harmony One, so yeah, you can pretty much see here on the daily. Let me just zoom into this. So you can see here on the daily chart that Harmony One has pretty much been bullish from this point onwards. You can see that we did respect this demand zone roughly in lower time frames, and pretty much had a little accumulation schematic did play out essentially, and then therefore did lead price to break structure, and looks like we're starting to reach this high essentially. But once we do have pretty much a candle closure above this, then we do have a clear confirmation that price is starting to become bullish. If we drop into the lower time frames, like the 4 hour essentially, you can see here that pretty much price has become bullish. We did have the initial accumulation schematic play out roughly here. You can see here that pretty much we did have the selling climb as a secondary test, the spring. We also had the automatic rally, then the spring, then the retest, but then price also came back down to retest this, pretty much mitigate this area, and pretty much fill in the imbalance. You can see the imbalance left behind, and pretty much we had another accumulation schematic play out, which therefore led to price pretty much becoming bullish. You can see here that demand zones were respected within this. You can see price is respecting these demand zones, which therefore is leading price to become bullish. In my opinion, I feel like we do definitely have the ability to reach the highs of around this area. This was the main reason for this, is this was the last lower high that initially caused the lower low being made. So this would possibly be the main area in order for price to become bullish. Once we do have a break of structure of this, then we do have a clear confirmation, even though this is a minor one. But in order for us to have a clear confirmation, this would be a nice confluence if we do break above this one, but obviously this would be the major one that tells us that price is starting to become bullish, and even the overall market is starting to become bullish for the overall crypto market. You can see Bitcoin getting closer towards the 50k, even if we check Bitcoin out right now. Yeah, so pretty much you can see here that pretty much price is becoming bullish for Bitcoin. We pretty much having all the respect of the demand zones, and pretty much even though we have been respecting the supply zones, we've breaking past through them, which is what we like to see, and hopefully we can get closer towards the 50k mark. And for Harmony One, possibly we could possibly even reach probably even $1 this year, possibly even more. You never know how the overall market will play out this year. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.